In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Nova Trade Plus referral code. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to go to their official DEX website, so the new Nova Plus, and the way you do this is you could use my link down below in the description, as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 20% cashback on all trading fees while trading meme coins, so make sure you check it out. Again, link down below, you will not regret it. And also, if you use my link, you will also get my referral code via which you can get the cashback. So here you want to click on select wallet, select your wallet first, and then you will have to unlock your wallet after pressing connect here, and then just click on the confirm button, click on the confirm button again to sign the message, and then it's going to ask you on the next page for your referral code, and you can put in my referral code, and my referral code is IHT. Okay, so just like that, you can put that in to get the 20% cashback, and then you are in here inside your Nova Plus account. Okay, so that's how you can actually get your Nova Trade referral code. But if you want to actually get one for yourself to go ahead and share further, you can go to the earn button up top over here, and then here this is gonna be your referral link. Okay, of course you could also change it by clicking this button over here. You can change it to whatever you want. So, of course, you could do whatever you want to do, and then you can just copy it, share it around, and whoever signs up with that link will also get a 20% cashback. So, that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.